Hi, everybody. I am going to present my championship adult cat final, Kim Chenault from Hamilton, Ohio. Um, Needless to say, 192 cats, top 15 was great, but, had to have some more honorable mentions. So here is my championship cat final. My first honorable mention is this beautiful Havana Brown. Gorgeous Persian, red silver tabby, I believe. Absolutely stunning eyes. My Torty Point Siamese, gorgeous girl. Honorable mention, this beautiful black and white Sphinx. Honorable mention, gorgeous Ready-Ticked Abyssinian. And this Pixie Bob is absolutely stunning. Gorgeous example of the breed. Beautiful brown classic tabby Siberian. Absolutely amazing coat and pattern on this one. Wonderful head type and ear set. My 15th best championship cat, gorgeous Torty and White Cornish Rex. My 14th best, beautiful Balinese. My 13th best, this darling little Singapura. My 12th best, this gorgeous Turkish Angora. My 11th best, beautiful black exotic short hair. Look at those big round eyes. My 10th best, beautiful blue mitted ragdoll. My 9th best, gorgeous lilac Tonkinese. My 8th best, gorgeous oriental short hair, beautiful ear set, wonderful long body and green eyes. My 7th best, the stunning Devon Rex. The coat is absolutely amazing. Beautiful head type and profile. My 6th best, beautiful ragdoll. Oh my goodness. Love the pattern on this guy. Beautiful deep blue eye color. My 5th best is this beautiful brown tabby Persian. My 4th best, seal silver spotted lynx point Bengal. Absolutely stunning. My 3rd best, this beautiful brown Torbian white Maine Coon. My 2nd best, this black Selkirk Rex. The coat is absolutely amazing. Wonderful head type, eye color, just a stunning cat. And my very best championship cat is this beautiful Ruddy-ticked Somali. Gorgeous ear set, eye shape, great profile. The coat is absolutely phenomenal. This is my very best championship cat. I hope you enjoyed the show and have a wonderful week, everybody.